Hello everyone. The three symbols that I select for these examples are PBT, place of articulations, label, manner of articulation, stop, voiceless, B, place of articulation, label, manner of articulation, start, voice, T, place of articulation, alveolar, manner of articulation, start, voicelet. Bilabial, bilabial sound envelop the upper and lower lips. In the production of the bilabial sound, the lips come into cones via outer and form unaffected constructions. In English, PBMs are bilabial sounds. Alveolar. First of as before unexplained squine alveolar sound in is useful to locate the alveolar range itself. If you play your song whose vein you add and move it in store, you feel harmony store and range. This is known as the alveolar range. Alveolar sounds involve different pronunciation tones, making count in its alveolar range from all effective contractions in the vocal tract. Example: as alveolar sounds in English are TD and LS. The following sounds are generic voices. These following sounds are described as voiced, but are only fully expressed when there are among other voice sounds. The short vowel sound is pronounced a slight difference before a vowel sound. Listen to the following word. Can you hear the difference? Cap, 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 cap. Before the vowel sound B in cap, cap, the sound is larger than before the then sound P in cap. P sentence examples. The Spanish something about a bear in Alba November these anders were compressed to when was through P and is as going to the symbols their neck and on any road shot out. The success of the institution is the primary on its founders and the principal booked. Thank you for your attention. The finality expositions English phonetic.